Hey there, just by clicking on this video, I know you're a Stumble Guys player. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get everything in Stumble Guys using a promo code, guys. So basically what we're going to do is get unlimited gems and coins. And guys, you don't have to download a mod. You don't have to jailbreak your phone. You don't have to call someone or give them your friggin' house address. I don't know. But this is super cool. It's a promo code, guys, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get straight into the video because this is super crazy and it totally works. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm really rich right now in the Stumble Guys, so I'm going to show you how to do this. So what you want to do is go to this website right here. So the website is called hexmods.com. Forgive me, I am not really the best at typing when I'm having to also hold a camera. But anyway, once you make it onto the Hexmods website, what you want to do is just come down here and type in Instagram, or what are we doing here? I don't know. But let's just type it in. So let me just put Stumble Guys right here, and as you can see, it might come up. Yeah, there it is, Stumble Guys promo. So press on this, and then just press this pink button that comes up, and that will generate your promo code. So peace out. But yeah, this is really cool, and it actually works as well. So yeah, I mean, if you guys are poor in Stumble Guys, like, it's not that fun. In my opinion, it's more fun when you have more money. So anyway, guys, once you reach the end, it's going to say activating reward. So now just fill out like your little thing right here and you're done. So as you can see, it says like reward activated. And at the end, it will ask for your email address and stuff, which I already gave. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you guys like Stumble Guys, because this is the best Stumble Guys method they have in 2024, guys. Super sick, and you will be rich as heck. So I will see you guys later. Subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome, and it totally works. If this video works, you guys be sure to go and share. I'll see you later. Subscribe to the channel, guys. You don't have to buy anything or any of that crap, so it's pretty solid. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Get the word out, and yeah, peace out, guys. This is super fun. And if you guys are ever like in the market for this kind of content, then just subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you later.